Welcome to the Body Transformation Pro template, your ultimate weight loss companion. To begin, simply set your deadline, target weight, and choose your preferred measurement system, pounds or kilograms. With this information, the template calculates your overall progress and your weekly and monthly weight loss targets. Let's start by tracking your weight. Navigate to the progress log below, where you can add a new entry. Record your weight, energy levels, mood, and body fat percentage, if applicable. At the top of the page, you'll find updated weekly and monthly targets. Refresh the graph to visualize your progress over time. Now, let's explore the Nutrition and Meal Planner feature. On the Diet Planner page, you'll find your favorite meals and recipes, along with a database of over 30 ingredients. Within each meal page, input the ingredients and instructions to calculate the meal's calories and macronutrient levels. Visit the Habits and Diet calendar to input your daily weight and track customizable habits like steps or meditation. You can also jot down journal entries for each day. Let's add today's meals: stir fry, omelet, sandwich, and pasta. In the daily entry, you'll see the total calories and macro levels calculated. Now, let's dive into the daily calorie calculator. Input your weekly weight loss target, current weight, height, age, gender, and activity level to determine your suggested daily caloric intake. For instance, I should aim for around 2,600 calories a day to meet my weight loss goals. Returning to our daily entry, I'm right on target for today. It's important to stay within my recommended calorie intake to maintain progress. Additionally, the template offers online resources, recipes, workouts, and more to support your journey towards achieving your transformative weight loss.